What's the difference between big and large? And how about small and little? When we're talking about the size of something, large and big mean the same thing. However, large is the more formal of the two words. So if you're writing an academic paper or giving a presentation, large is the better choice. However, in daily conversation, we usually use big. When we have a quantity word, such as number of, amount of, or percent of, we usually use large. We don't usually use big with these words. So you would say, I gave him a large amount of money, not I gave him a big amount of money. And big can mean important, serious, or powerful. We don't usually use large this way. Tomorrow is a big day for me. That means that tomorrow is an important day for me. This is a big problem. That means that this is a very serious problem. There's going to be a big storm next week. That means that there is going to be a very powerful storm. Now, let's look at small and little. When talking about size, they mean the same thing. The difference is just how we use them. Both words can be used before a noun. So, you can say, I have a small dog, or I have a little dog. Both are correct and mean the same thing. However, when we put the adjective after the noun, we almost always use small, not little. So we would usually say, my dog is small, not my dog is little. When we modify the adjective with an adverb, such as quite, somewhat, or very, we almost always use small. We almost never put those words before little. When comparing things, we use smaller and the smallest. Littler and the littlest are real words, but we almost never use them. So we would say, my house is smaller than yours, not my house is littler than yours. And finally, when talking about quantities, we almost always use little, not small. I have little money is correct. I have small money is not correct. And because I know people are going to ask about this, I have little money is similar to I have a little money. The difference is that little money sounds like it might be a problem. It's not a good thing. Whereas a little money sounds like it's probably not a problem. If someone asks to borrow money from you, you could say, sorry, I have little money. I can't give you any. Or, sure, I have a little money. I can give you some. So yeah, there are quite a few differences between big and large and small and little. However, you don't need to memorize all of these rules to use them correctly. All you need to do is listen to English every day and repeat the things that you hear. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I usually make 3 to 5 new English learning videos each week. So if you're interested in continuing to improve your English, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications.